Right at the heart of Beijing's 80th Victory Day parade, China unveiled technologies that feel straight out of tomorrow. Hypersonic missiles, underwater drones, and the first ever laser plus microwave plus missile anti-drone defense system. This isn't a simple display. It's a bold glimpse into how defense innovation is reshaping maritime, aerial, and orbital environments. In this breakdown, we'll explore three key reveals: missile evolution, deep ocean and space systems, and advanced directed energy defense. China's parade unveiled the YJ-15, YJ-17, YJ-19, and YJ-20, a quartet of advanced anti-ship missiles, with the latter three confirmed as hypersonic designs delivering diverse technological paths. Each model featured unique aerodynamic signatures. The YJ-17 employed a boost glide waverider form, granting flexibility in trajectory. The YJ-19 incorporated an underbody air inlet for air-breathing propulsion, while the YJ-20 carried a biconic shape, suggesting deployment from larger ships. Also visible were other hypersonic platforms such as the YJ-21, DF-17, and DF-26D, each designed to challenge traditional naval defenses with speed, precision, and extended range. The YJ-21, in particular, is known for traveling at speeds between Mach 6 and 10 with a range approaching 1,500 kilometers, deployable from both heavy bombers and large surface combatants. These missiles highlight the diversity of approaches to hypersonic technology. Boost glide versions rely on maneuverability to avoid defenses, while air-breathing models emphasize sustained speed and smaller size. Combined, these innovations complicate interception efforts and compress reaction times for any opposing defense system. The significance of this reveal is twofold. First, it confirms China's advances in propulsion, guidance, and sensor fusion, technologies critical to making hypersonics effective. Second, it signals readiness. These systems are presented not as prototypes, but as integrated into active forces. What makes this even more impactful is the multi-domain deployment strategy. These missiles can be launched from ships, aircraft, or ground systems, giving planners more flexibility and complicating prediction for any adversary. This flexibility enhances deterrence by presenting multiple layers of uncertainty. For general audiences, the key takeaway is clear: hypersonic and advanced anti-ship missiles are reshaping the balance of naval power. By drastically reducing decision windows and increasing strike precision, they make surface operations riskier and redefine how influence is projected across contested waters. Beneath the surface, the parade featured a remarkable display of uncrewed underwater vehicles, UUVs, most notably the AJX-002. Measuring up to 20 meters in length, this system belongs to the extra-large UUV category and represents China's growing investment in autonomous ocean technologies. Large enough to carry extended fuel reserves and payloads, these vehicles can remain underwater for long durations, conducting missions such as surveillance, reconnaissance, or logistics without detection. Such platforms present new challenges for conventional naval operations. Unlike manned submarines, UUVs can be risked more aggressively, used in swarms, or deployed for surprise missions. Their persistence in undersea environments adds layers of complexity to regional maritime security and could fundamentally reshape how naval balance is calculated in critical sea lanes. Above the waves, attention turned to a new anti-drone defense system combining missiles, high-energy lasers, and high-power microwaves into one cohesive structure. This layered triad offers multiple options for countering threats: missiles for longer distances, lasers for precise neutralization of small, fast targets, and microwaves for disabling electronics across wider areas. What makes this approach important is its adaptability. Instead of relying on a single defensive method, China is building an ecosystem where each element covers the weaknesses of the others. In practical terms, this means that whether facing small swarms or larger aerial threats, the system provides a flexible response. This integrated method also reflects a shift toward multi-layered ecosystems rather than isolated units. Modern challenges, from drones to orbital surveillance, require overlapping capabilities that reduce vulnerabilities. By highlighting both underwater vehicles and space denial systems in the same parade, China demonstrated that its innovation spans not just one environment, but across every dimension of modern operations. By pairing undersea autonomy with advanced aerial denial, the parade showcased how China is thinking across domains simultaneously. Submarines and satellites are no longer safe zones. Contested environments now stretch from ocean depths to the lower reaches of orbit. A centerpiece of the parade was the unveiling of directed energy systems, which included high-energy lasers and high-power microwave weapons integrated with conventional missile interceptors. This combination forms a layered defense network aimed at countering one of today's fastest-growing challenges: drones and precision aerial systems. Missiles handle long-range threats, lasers neutralize smaller targets with speed-of-light precision, and microwaves disrupt electronics over wider swaths. The implications are profound. Lasers, unlike traditional interceptors, can fire repeatedly as long as power is available, dramatically lowering the cost of defense per shot. Microwaves, meanwhile, allow for broad-spectrum disruption, an efficient way to deal with drone swarms that might overwhelm single-point defenses. By integrating these into one system, China is effectively developing a multi-layered shield capable of adapting to a spectrum of aerial challenges. Alongside futuristic directed energy came a reaffirmation of traditional strength: nuclear capabilities. The parade prominently displayed intercontinental ballistic missiles such as the DF-31, DF-5C, DF-61, and submarine-launched JL-3, completing the triad of land, sea, and air-based nuclear systems. Many of these missiles are believed to carry multiple independently targeted warheads, increasing resilience and second-strike assurance. By showing lasers and nuclear platforms side by side, the event underscored a philosophy of integration. Emerging technologies are not being developed in isolation, but are designed to reinforce, rather than replace, long-standing deterrent forces. It's an approach where rapid response systems cover the near term, while nuclear infrastructure maintains long-range stability. What stands out is the strategic symbolism of this pairing. It suggests a belief that tomorrow's security lies not in one technology alone, but in blending agility with endurance. Just as modern telescopes combine new digital sensors with classical optics to expand what can be observed, this dual display merged new science with trusted reliability. For observers, the contrast is striking. On one hand, cutting-edge directed energy projects promise near-future applications. On the other, nuclear systems symbolize enduring deterrence. Together, they project a message of layered readiness, innovation meshed with proven reliability. Beijing's 80th Victory Day parade was more than ceremony. It was a strategic showcase of how technology is being integrated across domains. Hypersonic missiles demonstrated blistering speed and aerodynamic diversity. Underwater drones revealed persistence and stealth in the deep, and layered energy defenses showcased innovation against modern aerial challenges. Add to this the reaffirmation of nuclear systems, and the result is a carefully balanced blend of futuristic experimentation with proven stability. The true importance lies not in individual pieces of hardware, but in the philosophy of integration, every layer reinforcing the other, from seabed to orbit. While public demonstrations cannot fully confirm performance, the symbolic message is clear. China is signaling ambition to operate across every environment with speed, resilience, and adaptability. This parade wasn't simply about looking back at history. It was about projecting a vision of tomorrow's balance of power. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.